Pairing the Aurora dimmer with a smart bulb and then installing the dimmer over your switch is easy. First, you'll need to pair your bulb. Turn on the bulbs you want to pair. Then open the app, go to the settings icon, and follow the app instructions on screen. Make sure the switch is in the on position. Place the mounting base over the switch, hold it against the wall, then tighten it with a Philips head screwdriver. Align the opening in the back of the control knob with the switch, then snap the knob onto the mounting base. And that's it! Press the button to turn the lights on and off, and rotate the knob to dim them. Now anyone can dim the lights,